Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am a happy planner fanatic. I am absolutely obsessed with the happy planner. So here on YouTube, I love to share all sorts of things about all of my different happy planners with you. So if you are not already, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will mean so much to me. And then also drop a comment below when you decide to subscribe so I can start to build that relationship with you and get to know you and things like that. So in this video, I am decorating my desktop calendar. This thing is very, very large. I have the camera really zoomed out so it can fit the entire thing. Honestly, I feel like it's like 2 feet wide. I don't know, but it just sits on my desk, and I have been trying to use it as a way to just have the whole month at a glance, to see everything that I want to accomplish, have a brain dump area, and then also just to see all sorts of different things that are happening. And it starts, all cute and decorated, but then by the end of the month, I have each of the days crossed out. And then, obviously anything that changes or anything like that, then I also can like cross that out or, white it out, whatever. And it really is a good place that I can just glance at everything without having to open any kind of planners. And yeah, so I've been trying to use this more and more. The only issue that I have so far is the colors. Like, I just don't, it's been difficult because of the colors. So I think I'm gonna try to, maybe not this month, I don't know, we'll see, but I think I'm gonna put like a different piece of washi up at the top to help with the decor. But other than that, let's go ahead and start. So I'm going to, wait, actually, I need to remember where these things are. Patriot Day, Labor Day, Autumn. Oops, okay. So I'm gonna get stickers for those things. Whoops. Just white it out. All right, so I'm gonna use my Post-it correction cover-up tape and put this all the way across so I can label whatever I want right here. And then also up at the top. The fun thing about this is that I can use those really huge stickers that otherwise I feel like would never get used. And I can just, I don't know, not make it super perfect, like I can just dump things down, make it, really just focus on the functionality part and not like the beautiful part, Okay, so this is a sticker holding area that I've had for a while. So I have lots of things in here. And I'm going to use this big Remember This. Okay, and put it up at the top. Remember. Oops. This. Okay, so then here I can just write down all sorts of things, and there's honestly like 20 bullets here, so I have a lot of space to put down all sorts of different things. This I wanted to be a brain dump area. So let me think. I don't know if I have any big stickers that say brain dump or like jotted down or something like that. So let's see. I keep a lot of extra stickers in here. These would be good to use. Always be humble and kind. I can go ahead and use that. Could use these too. You can use a lot of these. That's what I really like about using this. Having like, or not using this, but having a planner where I don't have so much pressure, like I don't put so much pressure on myself to make it like the best thing ever. I really, really want to make it functional. Just don't know where I could find a brain dump sticker. I think I might like to use this. Let's see. This might be actually, instead of putting a title, I can just kind of cover up that space and make it fun instead, you know? Okay. Yeah, why not? Just kind of have a space to write things here, space to write things here, and then all of this area. That's good. This is a good book since it just has lots of quotes. I wonder if some Disney would be cute. I don't know. Loving the journey, and then something beside it. Could do it's just, look, that was such a big sticker and it just looks so small over here. Oh, this is it. It's difficult to decorate this, but it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna use this washi to put down for my husband's vacation. Okay, so that is good. All right, I'm putting hearts on these 2 days for his birthday and our anniversary. And let's see. This take risks I wanted to use. So I'm just randomly gonna put it right there. I've honestly had these stickers for so long. It's crazy. So I just want to use them. Also, I'm gonna put this here because we're gonna have a fun day on Thursday. Look, I can put perfect day. And this wanderlust, maybe we can put here. I don't know. I'm gonna put always be humble and kind. Right. Where do I wanna, oh, let's put it up here. I wanna use my SEPA pens. So these are all colored pens. Okay, so I really like this actually, and I'm surprised that I do. I think it is going to be really helpful to use it this way. Last month, I didn't know what I was doing. Obviously, it was my first time, but I think this is going to be really, really helpful. And then I will use lots of my mild liners on here as well. I really love mild liners, so I have all of the packs. Okay. Let me see if there's anything else. I definitely could use more washi all around, but for right now, I think I'm just gonna stop here. I think it's gonna be really helpful for me to be organized this way this month. Yeah, so let me know if you think there could be something better, like, hey, what if you white out this quote and put something something, or what about this spot, I was thinking something something, or I don't know, this open area, or write out something else. I don't know. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm always open to constructive criticism, or not even criticism, just, you know, help, you know? So until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.